Hello, and welcome to this Blender tutorial series. After you pick and install your preferred Blender build, we can get started. I have installed the LTS 3.3.7 portable Blender version, which will be the one I'll be working on for the next few videos, as it's the stable build and all the add-ons that I work with are relatively stable with it. But before we dive in, we need to do one crucial step for those that are working with odd screen sizes or, like me, a 4K screen resolution. First, we'll learn how to adjust Blender's interface resolution so it displays properly on 4K monitors or any other resolution you may have. This is a crucial first step before we delve into more complex topics, so let's get started. As you can see, after installing and launching Blender for the first time, the interface can appear quite small on a 4K monitor like my own. Now, let's solve this issue together. Go to Edit on the top left menu. From the drop-down, select Preferences. This will open a new window. From the tabs on the left, choose the Interface option. Under the Resolution Scale section, you will see a slider. By default, it's set to 1. If you're on a 4K monitor, you might want to adjust this to somewhere around 1.5 to 2, depending on your preference. Once you've done this, you should notice an immediate change in the size of the interface. That's all for this tutorial. You can now comfortably start working with Blender on the resolution that best fits your workflow. I hope this helps you get set up for the more in-depth tutorials to come. In our next tutorial, we will be introducing Blender's interface and basic navigation tools. Make sure to stick around for that, and happy blending!